the video goes to Kilimani area. To cross to the other side, another side. Nonetheless, today is a fantastic day. Hope you're having one and you're enjoying your day. So it is a very beautiful day, bright day, sunny day. And I'm out here, want to do something, a video, and share with you today. So stay tuned. So I was saying today I want us to explore Kilimani area, the new boom of properties. So that's where I'm headed now. This is one of the shopping areas. Greenhouse. A one-bedroom house here, and let's see. When you enter, this is the kitchen. And there's a stove here, Wi-Fi and storage, and I think here is the dining area. And when you extend outside, you go to the balcony. This is the balcony. You can look out through here to the other side. There are other buildings going on, very beautiful. So this place actually gives you a very good view of what's going on this other side, and then this other side. That is the road, main road, the shopping centers. So once you are out of the balcony and walk on this way, go to the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. It has some hardwood floor. So this is the window, very wide window. Still you can look through here. And then there is the wardrobe here for storage, and here is some more storage. And you can also open like this to store the items here. Okay. So that is it. And then when you get out of the bedroom, you go to the washroom or restroom, and this is how it looks like. And here is the bathroom with a shower head, and it's very spacious, and a mirror here. That's all about the one-bedroom house in Kilimani. And this other part, the laundry area, is sort of dark water heater, and that is it. So when you're outside, you can look through here down. Okay. So I'm inside Kilimani so far, and I'm looking at I'm looking at so many properties. I think there's a lot of development here, property development. For example, look, coming up, and I'm heading the other side. To go this way.
wakichimba barabara imefika Super Highway na kuomba
look at the older designs across the road, the older designs compared to these new. When you're here, you are almost in the middle of Kilimani. You see these buildings. So I'm still here. Look at the other side. This is along Lenana Road. So far, so good. It's been a nice day here, and I want to say bye. I'll see you in another one.